see, in this chart, most of the heat gets dispersed around the sun. But only a very small amount reaches us here on Earth. Just a tiny fraction. Only 1/2 billionth of the sun's heat actually reaches us. 1/2 billionth.
2 billionth is tiny.
Imagine how small that is. Tiny, tiny. Yet with only 1/2 billionth, it feels like it's really hot in the summertime, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you know if the Earth did not turn around itself, that's what it would be like. It would be like part of the Earth was facing the sun would burn up because it would be so hot, just like in this chart. Whoa, can you imagine that? Everything on that side of the Earth would dry up. There would be no water there. Plants and animals wouldn't be able to survive either, would they? Would the plants and animals be able to survive where it's all hot like
They'd be
this?
right on the center.
They'd be right in the center. But then they'd be freezing cold and burning hot. How would they survive? Remember how long it took our Earth to be prepared to be perfect for animals to be here? And then humans to be here? It took a long time. It had to be perfect climate for everybody to be able to survive. But if the Earth didn't rotate around itself, then it would burn up just like this, and everything on the bottom, the dark side of the bottom down here, would be in the vast coldness of space. Everything on this side would freeze up, and nothing would be able to live there either. What would we do then? Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at how the Earth really is. How it is really here on Earth. All right. Let me show you how it is on Earth really. Part of the Earth that was in the shadow enters the light of the sun. Because the Earth keeps turning around.
The sun's in Australia right now Africa, now South America. We're turning too fast.
Right. That would already passed a couple of months, huh? If I did it this fast in real life. Remember, the Earth rotates around itself and around the sun. Notice it's going in counterclockwise motion. It goes around itself counterclockwise and around the sun counterclockwise.
Because you're going 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Because the Earth keeps turning around in the shadows like this, the part of the Earth that is facing the sun has the chance to warm up again. Let's say we're here in Milwaukee. Where's Milwaukee? Well, we're in Cleveland, aren't we? Way up here. So now it's warm, isn't it? See how the sun is shining right on Cleveland? But as the Earth rotates around itself, it starts to get dark, and now it's in the shadows. Look, it's nighttime back here. But the Earth keeps turning, and it comes back around, and here's morning time. It's coming. Finally, the sun's coming up. And it's
12
now.
in the afternoon.
It's warm again. Yes. This is how the Earth actually does rotate. It's rotating around itself.
But doesn't stay right there.
No, it keeps going right around the sun too. Remember, this is our sun. Can you feel it? It feels warm. Not too close, careful. There you go. You feel it, right? And pretend that that's our sun. Use your big imagination. Yeah, it's so
It's too
huge.
big to fit in here.
It's expanding out of the wall.
Actually, it is.
I bet it is.
I learned in a book that the sun's bigger than the Earth.
Really?
Yeah. The Earth is just like a dot.
That's right. We also learned that. We saw that on a chart earlier.
The sun's a pink splatter.
We saw that on a chart too, didn't we? Remember that it was like one tiny little dot in one of the flames of the Earth? Remember seeing that? Very tiny compared to the sun. So, here we have, let's go back to where we were. Cleveland, here we have day. And then where do we have when it spins around over here? At night.
It's midnight. It's about 6 in the morning. It's midday.
Come sit up next to your brother. Thank you.
It's about 6 at night.
So So it seems like the sun is disappearing, right? No, it's the earth that's turning.
Yeah.
The sun isn't disappearing, the earth is turning.
And the sun actually doesn't rise. The earth just turns.
The earth just turns, that's
And the
right.
sun doesn't go down. Even though it's really pretty when it goes down.
And every day it starts all over again, doesn't it? As the earth keeps turning.
It's really pretty. Because it's awesome for my house for sundown. It's really awesome. Because there's like a hole right in between the trees. So I sit right
So first at dawn, the sun seems to get,
a whole field of sunset.
wow. So at dawn, it seems to get higher, higher in the sky, right? The sun seems to get higher and higher in the sky.
Once I woke up,
Then midday after that, it seems the sun is going lower and lower.
it's not.
So on our earth, there are places where the sun is just coming up, and some places where it's really dark. That's because of the rotation of the earth.
Guess what? Huh?